Hi, and welcome to RNY Inside Learning Hub. This is the 14th video of Java series. In this video, we will learn continue about the unchecked exception or compile time exception. I hope you have watched the related video of this series. If not, then I requesting you please watch it. Okay, so let's begin. Okay. We already covered about the exception and what is the runtime exception, what is the compile time exception, what is the difference between, and what is the throws and throw, finally try, catch, all the things in the previous video. Now exception. Okay, so we have already covered unchecked, sorry, checked, or now we are in this video we as already discussed, we will continue learn about the unchecked. Now we already discussed about the default throw and default catch, and default throw and our catch. For understanding this, please watch the previous video. Okay, now now our throw and default catch. Okay, the throws spelling is wrong, might be. 1 second, I will correct this. Now fine. Okay, now I'm taking an example of the bank transaction to describe this situation. Suppose we have a balance of 5,000. Okay, and now we want to withdraw amount is AMT is 13. Okay, 13,000. Okay, now if we check if balance is less than withdraw amount, okay, then throw new arithmetic exception. Exception. Now I will show the message. So far we have received the default message which is already defined in the exception class. Now we can define the message as per our condition. Okay, you have insufficient balance. Okay, now balance equal to balance minus the okay withdrawal amount. So account balance is yes, okay. Okay. Here you can see, here we are not declaring the try catch but defining on message under the arithmetic exception constructor. Okay. uh, this exception will handle by the Java define message. Okay, now run the code. As you can see, the 13,000 is greater than 5,000, so that we get you have insufficient balance, as we have defined this message. Okay, in the exception. Okay, now 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 1 second, for suppose we 4,000. Now code run the code. Okay, so we have balance now is 1,000, as 4,000 is withdrawal from the 5,000, so we have balance of 1,000, and the code also is run, as because this is condition is satisfied. This condition is satisfied. The withdrawal amount is less than balance account balance, so balance will have. Okay, so this will code. I'm write this code to check. Okay, as soon as we get the exception, then the below the exception line is not executed, as already discussed this concept in the previous video. Okay, so now 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 the another situation is our throw and our catch. Okay, our catch, this is a default catch, this is a default catch. Okay, this is now we are creating our throw and our catch. Okay, now public static void main. Now I'm taking same example, so copy paste this, not write again and again, saving our time. 1 second, just modify the things according to this. Okay, now try catch. Okay, now try catch. Okay, the get message method will get the message which is defined in the arithmetic constructor. Okay, so this message will be get in this with the help of this method. Okay, as okay, now now run the code. So now this will run, as because the balance, the withdrawal amount is less than the balance. Okay, I will, 1 second, withdrawal amount is less than his balance, is now is perfect condition. Okay, run again to check. Okay, now as the continue line will run, as because we not get any exception in this condition, as because the condition is satisfied. So condition is satisfied, so that's 4,000 is deducted from the 5,000. Now as I increase the amount of this, now we will get exception. Okay, now, okay, so 1 second. One, okay, now perfectly fine. Okay, okay. As we get the exception, that why we we run this, as because we handle the try catch, so we get the error, 1 second, I will print this error, 1 second. So print. Okay, now 1 second, I will forget. Oh, now fine. As we, the condition is not satisfied, as because withdrawal amount is greater than the balance. Okay, the 4,000 is greater than the 5,000. So we get the throw, we get the error, and okay, so we get this message, and this line is executed, as because we handle the try catch. Here we not handle the try catch, that's why the continue line is not run. Now I will run again, that's why. Okay, this continue line is not run, this also not run, as because we get the error here in this line. So below this line, all the code will not executed, as if we are not handling the try catch. This is the beauty of the handling the try catch. Hope you will understand the difference between compile time exception or runtime exception, and default throw and default catch, default throw and hour throw and default catch, and hour throw and hour catch. Okay, so, and I would like to you know, share some rule use during the exception, so you have keep on your mind. Rule of the exception, first rule is we must write dependent line under the try block. Okay, because if exception occur in any particular line, then after that written code will not execute, as already discussed in the. Or second rule is, if Java default exception catch run on any exception occur, then next line will not work, and if our defined catch will run, then next line code will run. Okay, third rule is we can use catch or finally, and both, but catch block must use first. Okay, like that, if I want to finally, Okay, so that's this not okay. I I can use under the 1 second. As you can see, we cannot use the finally before the catch. Okay, okay, we can use more than one catch block, but we can use only one finally block, as already discussed in the previous video. Okay, so that's why I request in beginning of this video, you need to watch the previous video to understand the basic of the exception. Okay, use of the finally block will always run in the any situation, either we get the error or either we not get any error. Okay, in the finally block we run that code which we need to run that. Okay, okay, now case 1, when exception occur and handling with exception class object which is declared by on under the catch block, then will run catch. This is a finally about the finally. A finally will run in case 2 when exception occurred and handling with default exception which defined by Java, then will run. Okay, case 3, finally block will will when exception not occur will run. Okay, if an exception occur, the finally block is executed after the try catch block, otherwise it is executed after the try block. Okay, for each try block there can be only one finally block. Okay, now please keep on the mind is very important. It is not good practice to use finally block. It is because it can include important cleanup code, like code that might be accidentally skipped by return, continue or break, closing or file connection. Okay, why should we throw an exception object? We want to set a different message. Java cannot recognize exceptional situation or business logic or which not defined in Java. Okay, okay, all these thing I have covered in the this exceptions series. So I hope you have liked the video. To show your response, you like or not, please hit the like button. And if you are new in this channel, then please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to receive the notification for updated videos. And I would glad to receive your feedback, suggestions and queries in the comment section. Guys, this video, I am again repeating, this video is just sharing my knowledge which I have learned so far from the different resources. Okay, so thanks guys, thanks for encouraging me, thanks for supporting me. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.